Hi, I'm Sriram Chakravarthy. I'm the CTO and co-founder of Avaamo.
Tell us a little bit about what we're going to be discussing today, or what you're going to be walking us through.
Yeah, so we're going to talk about conversational platforms and the virtual assistants that are getting built on the platforms. And we're going to talk about various aspects to consider as you're looking to go live with virtual assistants. Everything from how you look at conversational design all the way to taking the bot live and the learning and how you track metrics around this.
First up is integration. Can you tell us, if you're a client, what are some of the things you need to consider with integration when you get started?
Yeah, there are a few kind of overlooked topics as you look at these virtual assistants. One of those topics is integration. Based on our past experience, we have 100 plus assistants that have gone live for enterprises, and almost all of them have tied into a back-end system like your SAP system for purchase order processing or your CRM system. And integration is absolutely key to make your bot successful. And as you think about integration, the various aspects around this, what are these backend applications? What kind of APIs are we connecting to? What kind of security do we have access to? Whether these systems are providing for the level of access to get this information becomes absolutely critical. And the more we know prior to starting the implementation, you're going to save a lot of time and effort going into any of these implementations.
Now you have to prepare both people inside your building and your customers for what's coming. Tell us a little bit about what we should consider for change management.
Change management is a very, very important topic. Virtual assistants are providing for a new channel of interaction, a new way for your customers or your employees to access information. And it is important to make sure they are aware that they are actually talking to a bot, they are talking to a virtual assistant. And setting that right in every aspect in terms of how you're communicating that to your customer is important. The other aspect of change management is internal, whether it is your customer service representative, whether it is people in your organization, they need to be aware of this new channel and how to measure success of this new channel. And change management is an absolute key aspect of making all the different parties aware.
Finally, security, one of the most important things. Give us some crucial tips that you should consider with security in your conversational applications.
When you're looking at virtual assistants that are tying into transactional system where you are connecting and you're accessing not only for reading but also updating information, security is paramount. And you can break up security into two aspects. One is the compliance aspect for it. Whether you're a financial services company or an insurance company, everything from where the data resides to the compliance around GDPR, FINRA compliance, SOC 2 compliance are all absolutely critical. The other aspect of compliance is the authorization and authentication of users who are actually accessing these systems through the bot. So for instance, if it's an employee, you got to make sure the employee is authenticated and has only access to certain types of information as they're connecting to these backend systems.
Thanks for your time today. Any closing one or two thoughts to encourage people as they get going?
We are going to be doing a lot of series on conversational bots and the best practices around this. So this is the first in a set of series. We covered 3 topics today. There's going to be a few more coming down. So stay tuned for those.
Thank you.